What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a new addition to the channel. I know I haven't posted in a long time, but we have a new car here today. We got my ZHP 330i E46. I blew the diff the other day, so I got towed here. Little drifting accident, so I replaced the fender, but still looks clean. I'm gonna get the bumper repainted, fender, and these under headlight trim pieces. So we're gonna be replacing the diff on this, probably with a welded one. This is the new addition to the channel, and the 535 over there. So right now we have the Z3. This is the 3.0 Roadster M. It's got the straight 6 3.0. Just put the new alternator in right there, and we're gonna work on the headlights, either getting rid of these wheels or plastic dipping them, and we're probably gonna wrap the car. So guys, installed the radiator, put this hose on, and then this little overflow hose, put that in. Gonna add some coolant, some good 50-50, and then we'll start her up. So we got the coolant put in. We still need to get a fan for this, so we're not going to run this for a long time. We just have the radiator hooked up, belts hooked up for the water pump. So the fan's over there. It's half broken. So what happened with this car was it was hit in the front right there. The oil pan, I got a new one, and it was replaced. That's the oil pan right there. So it was actually cracked when I bought it. All the oil leaked out, and then I replaced it at the shop, put new oil in, new gasket, and we're gonna go ahead and start her up. So what's funny about this car is, so this car has Lambo doors. Pretty crazy. It's so funny. I'm gonna replace that with OEM ones. This is the interior. It's got the M package. Gonna clean that interior up. See if the keys are in here. They are not. Giant sub in the back. All the speakers need to be replaced because previous owner blew them. And the subwoofer, so not really a flex. But it's manual, 6-speed, LSD in the back, 3.0 straight 6. Let's start her up. All right, so we got the keys right here. Came with a little remote. I guess that's supposed to lay it up or something. That's pretty cool. All right, clutch in, neutral, handbrake. $103,000 miles. Let's see if everything works. Shut it off. Gotta get the reinforcement. Glue goes across. Yeah, it's leaking coolant. So we had a small coolant leak right there. Tighten the hose up, and then we're just gonna start it again. Check for more leaks. It's leaking? A lot? Like where?
And after it sounded like a...
Okay. So to put the roof down on this thing, you just unclip that on the other side too. There you go. So it turns out it's just leaking from here. So we're gonna get a new clamp, replace it.